The next speaker is Sutapa Chattopadhyay. So Sutapa is an elementary school teacher and an amateur astronomer and an astronomy educator. So all together, he teaches in Hooghly Girls Primary School. So I think it's the first primary teachers we have for this colloquium, of course. And he works with the Institute of Astronomical Studies. So he is engaged in a project that is founded by the Office of Astronomy for Development of IAU. It's interesting to emphasize this point. And this project is called AMARI, or Astronomy Motivation Activities in Rural India. So he will present the wide range of activities that is led in this context. So Sutapa, I'm very happy to leave you the, I'm sorry. She will present the wide range of activities. That's the problem of international collaboration that sometimes we don't know. Okay, thank you. I leave you the floor.
First of all, I start sharing.
Yeah, you can share your screen, but we don't see it right now. Can you share or not?
Just a minute.
Okay. We have Adela that say that the conference are very quick but interesting. That's true. It's a 20-minute slot. It's very quick, but you can contact, of course, the speakers afterwards.
Is my slides visible?
No, not yet. We don't see your screen. You have to share.
Okay.
Did you share your screen?
The share screen button.
Sorry.
Okay. Try again then.
Do you need help to share?
Share. Okay, I find it. Is it visible now?
Yeah, now it's working. Now it's working. Fine. Okay. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. As my internet connection is very unstable here, I want to off my video. Is it possible for you to off my video? I can't do it. Okay.
I can cut up your video. Don't worry. Just put your slides in presentation mode because you see all the editing. Just put it.
Can you see my slides now?
Yes, we can see it. But please put in presentation mode.
Thanks very much. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sutapa Chattopadhyay from West Bengal, India. I am an elementary school teacher in my profession. Besides, I work with SDMT Institute of Astronomical Studies, that is iAstro-S, in the AMARI project. Astronomy Motivation Activities in Rural India, or AMARI project, is funded by OAD. In SDMT iAstro-S, we are engaged in astronomy outreach. Our organization organizes seminars, workshops, sky observation camp, popular lectures, etc. for students, teachers, guardians, and common people. We conduct a basic astronomy course too. Our motto is to build an astronomy culture in our society. I want to start my lecture with a song of Rabindranath Tagore in this respect. আজি যত তারা তব আকাশে সবে মোর প্রাণ ভরি প্রকাশে আজি যত তারা তব আকাশে নিখিল তোমার এসেছে ছুটিয়া মোর মাঝে আজি পড়েছে টুটিয়া হে তবনি কুঞ্জের মঞ্জরি যত আমারি অঙ্গে বিকাশে আজি যত তারা তব আকাশে, which means stars in the sky tonight are jewels glowing in my core. Your earth came to me in haste to fling herself at my door.
Thank you very much.
We will be talking about what is astronomy, why astronomy is important in elementary level, present scenario in West Bengal, India, how this concept can be developed, role of hands-on activities in elementary astronomy education or EAE, role of SDMT iAstro-S in elementary astronomy education in rural India. What is astronomy? It is defined as science of heaven. The field of modern astronomy is vast. Physics, chemistry, biology, geology, etc. Astronomy is divided in observational astronomy and theoretical astronomy. It can be used in different ways like tourism and employment generation, development of human quality, skill development, STEM inspiration, etc. IAU's Office of Astronomy for Development is working in the world in different levels. Astronomy is the oldest science in the planet, saturated in human life. Then come to the next point, why astronomy is important in elementary level. Children at elementary level are like flowers. They are energetic, they are open-minded, they are enthusiastic. Their minds are like soft soil. Anything you want to make them learn can be engraved easily. Of course, it can be erased easily, but if you repeat the engraving work periodically, it will last long, maybe last forever. So we try to catch them young. They can be motivated towards astronomy as well as STEM courses easily. We took help of few ways that attract the children. These are storytelling with picture cards, song and poem having astronomical meanings, drawing from their observation and imagination, hands-on activities, sky watching through small telescope and binocular. Astronomy can be so much fun thus. Next, concentrate on the learner-centered program design. To explore a topic using experience, ensure the student records his or her investigative process. Third, ensure the outcomes of the research or investigation. Stimulate self-directed activity and research. Locate and utilize information from a variety of sources and integrate, evaluate, and apply the information research. Now come to the development of the students. The categories which contributed to the development of the student can be identified as knowledge and motivation. Motivation is more important because for future, this methodology will be fruitful. Taking research out of the classroom, sustain motivation in terms of self-motivation and social acceptance. Next, the importance of astronomy education in elementary level. Astronomy in school level is very important as a learning activity. Students become analytic in mind, able for critical thinking, develop psychological skills. This theory may be adopted in school level irrespective of country. A student can identify gaps in the curriculum through this method. Therefore, learning activities would be more fruitful. The methodology of astronomy education, what is followed by teachers, will help them to improve in science. These are some of the pictures of our workshop, which we have done with elementary level students, normally primary and upper primary students. There they can be seen watching the sky through small telescope and joining the workshops done for them. and small children of class 3 are working in the workshop attentively. And this is the logo of our organization, which means a lot to them. Now come to the present scenario in West Bengal, India. A curriculum survey. West Bengal, where we belong, is a state of India. Children cram in school at the age of 5. Before that, they learn at their home. This is a survey of science syllabus of class 4, which means they are 9 years old. Name of the chapter is Day and Night. Number of the pages allotted are 10 pages. Number of topics allotted are 8. Topics in these chapters include formation of shadow, length and direction of shadow at different time of the day, creating light and shadow using a torch and a ball, explanation of day and night, how day and night repeat like a circle in a particular place, day and night time sky, concept of dawn, twilight, evening, and length of the day at different time of a year. These children already have the knowledge. They are 9 years old and they already knows what are the phases of the moon, how to observe and describe the night sky and horizon, formation of cloud and rainbow, and how to discuss lightning and its consequences. At the present class, after completing the chapter of the previous classes, the learner will be able to I have a problem, just a second. Yeah, let's continue. Discuss the changes of the position of the sun throughout the day with the help of shadow. Discuss the significance of rotation of the earth. Describe the phenomena of new moon and full moon, and learn to observe the bright celestial objects in the night sky. Again, these are the pictures of our night sky watching through a small telescope. You can see all are very interested in this. Little children, they are lined up and they are watching the sky with the help of us. Now come to the point how this concept developed. It is very important to develop concept of astronomical studies in elementary level. Joyfully, they want to participate in astronomical events like workshops, sky watching camp, etc. The role of teachers is very important. SDMT Institute of Astronomical Studies or IASTRO-S is working to develop this idea by which students will be able to think logically. They are treated as self-sufficient observer and model maker. They can express their thought through their model. Students are responding very clearly in the workshops organized by SDMT Institute of Astronomical Studies. They are learning to make good questions also. Role of hands-on activities in the elementary astronomy education or EAE. Students of elementary level should be treated in heuristic model. Astronomy is such a subject full of activity. They should be guided actively. In elementary astronomy education, EAE, astronomy should be treated as fun. Role of IASTRO-S in elementary astronomical education in rural India. SDMT Institute of Astronomical Studies or IASTRO-S started its journey from the year of astronomy 2009. This year, in spite of pandemic situation, it is continuing its activities online. It is now running an OAD-funded project, Astronomy Motivation Activities in Rural India or AMARI, under the guidance of Project Coordinator Somnath Chatterjee. We are conducting workshops, obeying government pandemic rule, that is safe distancing, mask and proper sanitization. Teachers and guardians also participated in seminars, online activities and workshops. We think we can develop an astronomy culture in our area, our society, and can induce other areas. Our next object is to use astronomy for employment generation among rural women by embroidery and other skills. Lastly, I want to dedicate one song to all the elementary level students of astronomy. The song is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Let's start. জোনাকি কি সুখে ওই ডানা দুটি মেলেছো, ও জোনাকি কি সুখে ওই ডানা দুটি মেলেছো, আধার সাঁঝে বনের মাঝে উল্লাসে প্রাণ ঢেলেছো, ও জোনাকি কি সুখে ওই ডানা দুটি মেলেছো। তুমি নও তো সূর্য, নও তো চন্দ্র, তোমার তাই বলি কি কম আনন্দ। তুমি নও তো সূর্য, নও তো চন্দ্র, তোমার তাই বলি কি কম আনন্দ। তুমি আপন জীবন পূর্ণ করে আপন আলো জেলেছো, ও জোনাকি কি সুখে ওই ডানা দুটি মেলেছো। তোমার যা আছে তা তোমার আছে, তুমি নও গরিনী কারো কাছে, তোমার অন্তরে যে শক্তি আছে তারই আদেশ পেলেছো। তুমি আধার বাঁধন ছাড়িয়ে ওঠো, তুমি ছোট হয়েও নও ছোট জগতে, যেথায় যত আলো আছে সবাই আপন করেছো, ও জোনাকি কি সুখে ওই ডানা দুটি মেলেছো। Here we can describe little children with fireflies. Little firefly, how happily you open out those wings. In the dark, in twilight, in woods elated, you pour out your being. Neither the sun nor the moon you were, but is any the less your pleasure? You lived to your fill, to kindle your own glowing. What you have to have, to none you are in debt. To the call from the power within, you have obeyed. Unfettering the darkness around up you rise. You are not at all small, dear, despite your teeny size. In all worlds, wherever light, there is you, have made them all your own. Thank you all for listening to me. Wish you all a clear sky under which all our astronomical activities will go on. Namaskar.
So much, thank you, Sutapa. I'm okay. Everybody said beautiful, thank you, and so on. It's really something specific. I think I lived in India about 2 years, a long time ago, and I work with primary teachers. And I think what you have done now is really the combination of both. So I don't have any questions. I'm just very happy to hear you. Okay. I don't know if someone has a questions or I was wondering something actually. It's not clear in your projects. You have been the single teachers, or did you enroll other teachers, and did you have to train them in astronomy teaching?
Okay, we are trying to teach them and giving them training. They are also coming in our workshops. And now that everything goes online, we have also started online teacher training courses and, as I told, basic astronomy courses. And it is very difficult to enroll all the students, rural students. So we are facing, primarily we are facing a difficulty, but we hope we can overcome that.
I'm sure you will. Okay, thank you very much, Sutapa. And I hope we will hear you singing again. And we will hear you for real next year, I hope so. Okay, we have. Thank you very much.